In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your server's address for free with Cloudflare. We'll use Cloudflare's free proxy to sit in front of your site so visitors and bots connect to Cloudflare instead of your origin, keeping the real server IP out of public DNS results. Start by signing into your Cloudflare dashboard. From the home screen, head to the domains area and pick the domain you want to protect. That opens the overview for that site. Now move into the DNS section, then into the records view. This is where every host name for your site is listed, like the root domain and the W subdomain. Focus on the proxy status column. Each record shows a small cloud icon. When the cloud is orange, the record is proxied. That means traffic goes through Cloudflare's network, your origin IP is hidden, and you get extras like DDoS protection and caching. If the cloud is gray, the record is set to DNS only. In that mode, DNS responses include your server's real IP, which exposes the origin and bypasses Cloudflare's protection. To hide your server, make sure your web-facing records are orange. You can toggle an existing record by clicking the cloud icon to switch it to proxied. If you're creating something new, click Add Record, choose the type you need, typically A, APA, or CNAME, fill in the target, and ensure proxy status is turned on before you save. After saving, confirm you see the orange cloud next to the record. A couple of quick tips to avoid surprises. Not every record can or should be proxied. For example, MX and most mail-related records must remain DNS only, so email works correctly. That's normal, and it doesn't reveal your web server if your A or C name for the site itself stays orange. Also, if you run APIs, admin panels, or staging subdomains, remember to proxy those too if they're public. Any gray record that points straight at your origin can leak the IP. Give DNS a few minutes to propagate, then test. When you look up your domain, you should see Cloudflare addresses, not your origin. If your origin IP was previously exposed, consider rotating it or restricting inbound traffic to Cloudflare's published IP ranges for an extra layer of safety. And that's it. By verifying that the key DNS records show an orange cloud and setting proxy status to proxied when you add new ones, you've hidden your server's IP behind Cloudflare. Free, fast, and effective.